In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Power BI report to PPT, PDF, or PBIX. We'll walk through how to save your report as a PBIX file on your computer, how to export it as a PDF for easy sharing, and how to get a PowerPoint version by publishing to the Power BI service. I'll keep it simple and explain what each step does so you know exactly why you're doing it. Start by opening the Power BI app on your desktop and load the report you want to share. Once your report is open, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Save As. When the Save As window opens, pick Browse this device to choose a folder on your computer. Set the file type to PBIX, which is the standard Power BI report format, and click Save. This gives you a local copy of your report that you can store, share with teammates who use Power BI Desktop or version control. If you already have a PBIX file, saving ensures your latest changes are included. Next, let's create a PDF version right from the desktop app. Look for the Export option in the menu and select Export to PDF. Power BI will render each page of your report as a PDF page. This is a great option for static sharing, approvals, or sending to people who don't use Power BI. Keep in mind that PDFs are snapshots, so interactive visuals won't be clickable, and any filters you've applied will be captured as they appear at the moment of export. To export to PowerPoint, you'll first publish your report to the Power BI service so it can generate a presentation for you. Click Publish, then choose Publish to Power BI. Select the workspace where you want the report to live and confirm. After publishing completes, open your report in a web browser through the Power BI service. In the browser, use the Export option at the top ribbon and choose PowerPoint. Power BI will build a PowerPoint file with slides for your report pages. Once it's ready, download it and open it in PowerPoint to present or add notes. If you prefer static visuals for other uses, you can also export the report as an image from the same area. Both options create ready-to-share files that mirror the look of your report. That's it. You now know how to save a PBIX locally, export a PDF for static sharing, and create a PowerPoint version by publishing to the Power BI service.